Hello everyone, this is Navbar websites, and today we are going to learn how to create the sticky header only after scroll. So we will need to change the layout a little bit, so I'm going to do it. In previous video we learned how to change the height of our header to work like this. Okay, so let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to my Twitter, to my YouTube channel, and to my Patreon. In my Patreon you can find all source videos, all source code for each my tutorial, so it will be available forever for you. Also you can order there a free tutorial from me. Okay, so let's start. First we need to change the header layout. Let's remove the JavaScript code from previous video. Okay, don't forget to check it. Also, let's change the header layout. So we need to write here top wrapper. Okay, and we will have the logo menu right here. Okay, so let's check what we have. Okay, so it works not as I expected, but we will adjust it. So in logo it should be, where is our logo? CSS. The logo should be text align center. I think it should be here. Text align center. Let's try. Okay, it's centered. Okay, I like this, so you will see what is going on. Let's make it text transform uppercase. Great. Now let's adjust our menu to be centered. So it's here. Actually, it's align item center and just space between. Let's do just a content space around. I think it should work. Right, it works really great. And so we have this layout. Let's add more space above our now menu, like here. Actually, let's do it below our logo. So padding bottom will be 60 pixels. Okay, so here we have our header. Okay, great. Actually, what I did wrong for this layout, actually nothing wrong, all good. All should be right. Okay. Okay, so I'll adjust it later. Now we need to add the few styles for this. I will add it in the bottom here. So you will see. First we need to write plus for sticky, and it will be position fixed. We learned how to do it in previous video, so don't forget to check it. And with 100%. Okay, so when we will use this class, it's going to be sticky. Let's try. It should be here, I think. Sticky, because we want only manual. Okay, so something like this. Works not as I expected, but anyway, it works. So let's adjust the header, it will be header, and here should be header top. Okay, just like this. So we will have two separate sections. Just for header top and container. Okay, one more class. Okay, I'll make it bigger so you will see what I'm doing. So we have header top, and now let's create header bottom. Header bottom. Okay, again container, and our wrapper will be inside this. Okay, this I don't need. So we actually made separate sections. So there is global header, and now there is header top, which include our logo, and header bottom, which has only menu. Let's check styles. So it works pretty similar. And now we need to adjust our styles to make it here. Where is our header? Here is our header, and it's going to be padding. So we don't need it. We need to make styles for header top. And we need to adjust styles for header bottom. Okay, like this. So it's going to be something like this actually. Okay, we don't need transition, we don't need top, position fixed, with all of this don't need. So actually we need only this. Okay, and it's a mess right now. So let's check, it should work good. Okay, so we here have our logo. Let's check the styles of it, and we added additional space for our logo, which we don't need anymore. And there is header top, which is like this. There is header bottom, which is like this. So actually, header top don't need logo. Padding bottom for logo. Where is our logo? Oops, can't find. Okay. Here it is. We don't need it. Let's save. It should become smaller. And now we don't need the space here. It's 16 pixels. So actually, let's make it margin bottom 16 pixels. Actually, it will not work here. So let's do it. Let's separate it. Header top, padding bottom. Sorry, bottom 0. I don't think we need important, it should work. Okay, so it looks like just like a regular menu. So we created class for sticky styles queries, and now we need to add one more class, which will be sticky plus content. Okay, padding top. Let's make for now 50 pixels, but I'm going to change it. So this style means when on the page exists sticky class and content in the same time, we apply this style. Okay, so now we need to add our JavaScript, which is going to be pretty simple. So let's do script, window on scroll, and we call custom function. For example, it will be my function. Okay, here is all simple. Now we need to write something like this. Navbar include, we get document by ID, and we should get our header second. So we adjust this ID to header bottom, okay? So actually it looks like this, and we get this. Okay, so our var navbar has document by ID navbar. Oops, document get element. Sorry, get element by ID. Okay, next step is var sticky, and we add navbar to this variation offset top. Okay. So now we need to create the function. Let's do my function. You can call it like you want, doesn't matter. And we need to create our function. So now if, okay, else, okay, so difficult word, right? Okay, and here should be window, page y, offset, bigger or equal to sticky. Sticky is this one, navbar offset top. So here we variation gets this height, okay, height of our header and of navbar, and navbar gets our header, right? So we just variation sticky as height of our header. So when page offset of the window is bigger than our height of header, we do this. Navbar class list add sticky. Okay, so when so if this is true, we add to navbar class sticky, which we created in CSS. Else then navbar if it's smaller, navbar, okay, again class list remove sticky, and close it. So let's save. Okay, I did some mistake here, you see, not closed div somewhere. Let's find it and fix it. So it should be here. That's it. Okay, here it is. So let's try to scroll. It doesn't work. I'm not wonder. So we did something wrong. Okay, cannot read property, null or offset top, and class list. So I did some mistyping in the JavaScript, so let's find it. So my function, var navbar, okay, get element by ID, navbar, navbar. Let's save it, and no errors anymore. But it doesn't work. So let's check what we did wrong. Okay, get element by ID, navbar, and we have this element. Where it is? Okay, navbar. Okay, now we need to search the issue. Okay, now bar offset top. All right here, right. All right, and now we need to check this. So window page y offset. This should be big. Oops. Offset. Let's try. Let's actually check our HTML code. Okay, so as you can see, it works here. If we scroll, we have class sticky. If we scroll, oh, it works on the here too, on the front end. Okay, my bad. So let's. It takes so much time to scroll here because we should add the Z index. It's just going below the. Okay, you see below the hero area. So here is our sticky, and we need to add that index 3, for example, and now it should work. Okay, it actually works. So now let's scroll it a bit slowly. Okay. Let's check the height of this element. I thought before we will adjust 56 pixels. So padding top should be 56 pixels. Let's try it. Okay, container, and here we should adjust our main and main. Let's try. Okay, it doesn't work, so we need to change it to the flow headers 126.4. So let's try it. Okay, we are scrolling. Okay, it works much better. Works much more better. Okay. And this how much is 56. Let's try calc. And 126 plus 56. Let's try this one. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Find 4. Let's try how it works. Okay, so this jump becomes really smaller. I still don't like it, but what we can do? Let's try here 120. It was 126, so let's try double it. 126 double 252.8. Just let's try to fight for. So the jump is really small right now, and let's check our CSS, how it works in CSS. Okay, and here is. So it's really weird because there's no any CSS, and I did something, and it looked like nothing worked. It's so funny. Placeable. Okay, so let's add class main, and let's add here class main. Okay, that's so funny. Okay, let's here our class, and it doesn't have it. So actually, it's because it's not on the same level. So let's just leave it. I did the structure a bit wrong. So this and this should be on the same. This should be on the same level like this. So if we remove header, for example, that let's just try and save. We're right. CSS was all broken, but let's check our main area now. Does it has? Right, it has our class. So I'm going to adjust this a little bit, so it all should be header bottom. Okay, header bottom, header bottom. Okay, and this should be header top. Header top. So let's save it. Okay, okay, great, it works. So, right, okay, so it's 56 pixels. I don't like this jump, so let's just fix it. 56 pixels, it should work. Okay, you see it's very smooth right now, so no jump at all. So let's just try it. Okay, I think it works really good. Let's try the full screen mode. I also don't like this color, so let's adjust it to some, I'm not sure, green. Anyway, let's try it. Something like this, no bad, something like this. Right, the blue color works good here, so let's adjust it to something like, okay, something like this. It should be good. Not sure if you like this color. Actually, it doesn't work really good. So let's try this color pink and just add it, make it more pink like this. Okay, works good. Oops, have to close it, close it. Great, so I think we found the solution. I think this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my Twitter, to my YouTube channel. Okay, do not miss new tutorials. And you also can get the all source code for my tutorials in my Patreon. So don't forget to subscribe to be my supporter. Okay, and I wish you all the best and have a good day. Bye bye.